Well, we're on our next one for the day. We just got back home, and we actually got the call just before we got home. And this is one of our old employees, Wyatt, one of his friends. And I believe we've helped this guy out before. We've either helped him or one of his friends. We'll see when we get there. They had an Audi that was stuck up in the mud, almost back onto the road. And we went and lifted up the front of the Audi to pull him back onto the road with the blue diesel. So, same group of guys, if not the same guy. But today they're out just driving on dirt roads up West Mountain, but it started raining real hard. All morning it rained real hard. And their Expedition is a two-wheel drive. So they got stuck in the mud and kind of slid off the road.
You want to drive over and talk to him, or because that's not where their vehicle is. At least that's not where the pin drop is.
What's that?
There's a guy standing up right up there.
Yeah, right there, this guy, but it says the vehicle's that way. So we're debating on going and talking to the guy we see on the hill, or headed to the vehicle. Well, Ben, let's go rush over to that guy real quick.
Okay.
I'll signal you if I want you to come up that way. Okay. Let's roll that window up before those giant chunks of mud come in.
I'm trying not to spin them.
It's so slow!
GM window motors are poop.
You have to pull the last few inches. Oh, it's warm enough.
I went down and back up. I restarted it.
When it's cold, that won't even work.
When it's cold?
When it's cold, that won't even work. Good, you the one we were looking for?
Yeah, I just came down to meet with you guys.
The GPS was having us go that way, so.
No, it's over that hill and then down. It was pissing rain earlier, so we got stuck.
Okay.
So yeah, we're just over the hill and then down behind. You'll see us once you go over. So.
Sounds good.
Okay, do you want to ride or?
Yeah, we'll take a ride.
You remember the signal? That's right.
Hello.
Did you see my exaggerated arm movements?
I did not. I was behind the truck.
Ah. Taking a Wiz Khalifa?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna go up this way. It's steep, but it's pretty smooth. I think your truck will go up it.
Okie doke. I'll head that way.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Going. Oh, don't turn.
Oh, sorry.
Much different than it looked like in the picture.
Yeah, it is.
In the picture, it looked like he was on a road on a bend.
Yeah, and sliding off the side.
Yeah.
So,
We'll just, yeah, this will be easy.
yeah, I'll back up a little bit more and just hook up.
You want to rope pull it?
Yeah, I think so.
I'll have to find a place to hook. Oh, nowhere to hook. We can't do it.
Control arm or sway bar? I don't like pulling on sway bars, but
I wouldn't.
this.
It's in a bit of a rut. So where's your super loop? Oh, here it is.
Hey, you want a jacket?
No, I think I have a work jacket.
Is that Neil mat still in there?
No, I put it back in the tow truck. I do have this tarp though. We can just throw this tarp down.
I have carpet in the back of my truck.
Yeah. I'll trying to do it without any of that.
Well, this tarp is right here. It's folded up. As good as a garbage bag.
Yeah, but now you gotta. Oh, I was gonna say now you gotta clean mud off of it, but there's a ton of mud on it already, so let's do that.
That rock.
Give it a little bump.
Dogs are
Like,
just
oh, you're coming this way?
totally unbothered. Like, no big deal.
40. This is one of the nice things about super loops.
Yeah. You can pull out far enough to reach it.
Yeah. Thanks, Alan, for inventing the super loop. You guys go ahead and jump on our website. Go to Yankum Ropes. Get yourself some. We are going to say goodbye to the customer. Say bye to YouTube land. That was fun. Fun little outing. Not a terribly hard recovery, but they definitely weren't getting out of there on their own. I think they'd have had a hard time getting out if that thing was 4-wheel drive. And it was not. It is 2-wheel drive.
That makes
So
a little bit of a difference, that's for sure.
just a wee teeny. They're gonna buy an Excursion. I'm gonna go catch back up to them because I left the GoPro on their truck.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll just say I pulled a Donnie. I pulled a big D right there. It's an inside joke, he'll get it. Gotta grab the GoPro.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Not your bad, it was my bad. I totally left it on there.
There you go. I was like, she's like,
You started driving away and I was like, oh, dang it, I forgot that. Thanks. All right, we got the GoPro back.